Hello everyone, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. This is a video I'm doing right now. It's hard drive versus SSD to see which one with today's technology, how fast is a hard drive compared to an SSD. Yes, there's loads of different videos out there, but I thought I'd do this one anyway since not a lot of them do it anymore. But this video is for everyone who wants to know which one is better, SSD or hard drive. Please continue to watch after this video. Benchmarks will be added towards the video. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Welshie out.